I'm with the. We've been trying to meet up and then.
You started.
I'll keep it. Hi, I'm Withy and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, let me take this off. I'm actually on the way out of the house. It's a Saturday, so happy Saturday, happy weekend. I'm about to go run some chores, and excuse this, I burned like I was cooking Sunday dinner last weekend, and yeah, some oil splattered all over, so I got like a bit of a burn, so it's just healing now. So yeah, there's nothing on my face, it's just a burn. But yes, so I'm about to head out of the house to go do some chores, and I actually sat my first exam 2 days ago on Thursday. So last night met some friends. It was a long week at work, and with the exam and stress and whatnot, met some friends and had a little bit of a game night and dinner together. And I have an exam on Monday, and I have 2 more, one on Thursday and one on Friday. So I have like a busy weekend and week, and I'm still trying to manage the stress, see my friends and stuff. Probably head to the beach and study there and just maximize the exam on Thursday and Friday. And then yeah, next week this time I will be done with my finals and exams, and I will be free for the summer. And I have some assignments I keep forgetting. But yeah, let's head out and I'll see you guys. Yeah, just we're on the way to the beach now. It's it's almost 4. What time is it? Yeah, it's past 4. It's 4:15. So after running the errands, I went home, had a bit of lunch, did a bit of studying, and now we're heading to the beach to see some friends. So we're going to Coral Gardens, and I think our friend's been there for the past 2 hours. So hopefully they're still there. I'm meeting some girls for drinks afterwards around 7. Yeah, I think the meetup time is 7 at the Ritz. The girls I'm meeting later, we work in the same property but different departments. So for the past year and a half and almost 2 years that I've been working there, I made friends with one of them. So we've been trying to meet up, and then we noticed the third girl, and we're like, oh, we should ask her to be friends, blah blah, but we're like, it's so awkward and stuff to ask someone, like, how do we do that without being creepy? So we're like, oh, maybe we should just be like, hey, do you want to grab a drink sometime or something? And then we're like, okay, it sounds like we're asking her out or something. So we made it this whole big thing, and then we finally got the courage, and I think, yeah, my friend talked to her, and then whatever happened, and now we are finally all off and free at the same time and day. So we're meeting up, and I was like, yeah, I'm not messing that up. So I'm like, I'm gonna make some time to do that and meet them, because I've been saying, like, I need to make more friends, and I've been actually pushing and trying to be so much more social. Because if you know me, everyone who knows me think I'm like so outgoing and crazy, but then when I meet new people, I'm just like, yeah, no, this is not my thing. So I'm not like the most social to people I don't know yet. So I've been telling myself the whole day how proud I am, because I'm like, I'm making friends on my own. Like, it's not like somebody else's friends that I became friends with, but it's, you know, starting from scratch.
Yeah, I'll move.
I definitely need a drink.
You started when I have a grab before?
Oh, bad influence. Nothing.